What's up, YouTube? It's Bullseye Nate 231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the windshield wipers on your vehicle. This example is done on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. So if you have a 2012 Nissan Rogue, this would be the same probably from like 2008 to like 2014 or 15. This will be close to almost all windshield wiper replacements. But if you have a Rogue, you need a 26-inch and a 14-inch. There is a guide at your local auto parts store that tells you what size windshield wipers you need for your specific vehicle, so be sure to check that out. But let's go ahead and jump right in. I've never used these Rain-X Latitude wipers before, so we're going to try them out. So as you can see, I already have that wiper up. So what you want to do is just lift this straight up, okay? And what you're going to do is flip this over, and up underneath here you're going to see, let's see if we can get the camera to focus. You're going to see a clip. It's right here. And so it activates. Let me see if I can get a better shot for you. All right, so you can see the clip a little bit better on this side. So it's right here, as you can see. So what you're going to do is you're going to push that in, and you're going to pull down on the wiper. Okay, these wipers are really old, so they were a little hard to get, but as you can see, this is actually just a hook, and there's a little hole where the clip actually clips in. So this is the old one. We're going to go ahead and throw this to the side. This one was pretty rough, but they lasted a good while. This was a Bosch windshield wiper, so I'm gonna try out the Rain-X ones, see how it goes. Let me get the other one out the pack, and I'll show you how to put the new one on. All right, so real quick, you can see these are the directions. So you're going to select which type of windshield wiper you have. Obviously we have the hook, so we're going to do that. We're going to look at this. You're going to flip up that little piece, and it's just going to clip right on. So let's look over here at the wiper, and there's the piece we're going to unclip. All right, and then we are going to slide the wiper through there like that, and it should just clip right in. And then once it's clipped, you're going to put this back down, clip that, and then your windshield wiper is secured. Also, you want to make sure you remove this yellow guard on the front of the wiper. That is actually just a protective barrier for the rubber. The rubber is actually moisturized with Rain-X product. If you've never used Rain-X, it's pretty good stuff, so be sure to try that out and put it on your windshield. So we're gonna go ahead and do the next one, and then we'll be all done. All right, so again, we're going to locate the clip. We're gonna push it in with the thumb, and we're going to slide down, and depending on how long it's been on there, it might be kind of hard. These are kind of hard to get off just because they're so old. But then we're going to take our new windshield wiper. Again, these are the Rain-X Latitudes. You're going to take your windshield wiper. If you have the hook application, you're going to flip that up, and your hook is going to fit right into there. So, and you're going to pull straight up until you hear it click, and then you're going to close this clip back on top, which clicks. So all right, there it is. The last thing you need to do is remove the safety guard on the actual rubber piece, and you put your windshield wipers back down. All right, so that is how you change your windshield wipers on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. And this is going to be the same on most other vehicles that have that hook. In fact, it'll be exactly the same, the process, on any vehicle that has the hook. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all have a good one.